What up? What up? How we all doing?
Oh, what up? What up? How are you guys doing? All good?
Yo, Joe. Astra Legenda. I always wondered what does the username mean?
Astronaut, what?
No, his username.
Best
Go with
prop
the
from ever.
questions.
That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right.
Let me change. Okay, hopefully my new.
That's right.
Versus Patriots. I actually have a Patriots baseball cap as well
You have a what?
from the Super Bowl. I just bought it.
I'm good. Tall SMT. How tall are you? Tall SMT.
I think the Patriots got it. But I've never really watched the Super Bowl. I always watched highlights. Dude. That's the team Tom Brady played for, right?
Yeah.
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 I'll put my money on Patriots.
You gotta gamble a lot.
Actually, yesterday, Paddy the Baddy lost. Did you watch the UFC yesterday?
No.
Or did you guys?
I did not. I think we're gonna go to this 1 hour high, to be fair. I don't see any reason to go lower at this moment.
Yeah, I've got this high marked off at 25,743.
Yeah, same. I would just want us to retrace into the 15-minute, you know, and then
Seahawks.
so I can take a buy.
To be fair, you're asking the wrong guy about American football. Who's that one guy? Not Michael B. Jordan. No, not Michael B. Jordan. Odell Beckham, actually. Dude just ordered food. My trade today's done. Cost 600 points in gold. I don't know why, but my gold data is delayed at the moment. No, actually, no, it's right on time.
Do you guys want to know a funny story? So
Yeah.
apparently, so I moved, right? Inside Dubai, I moved to a different apartment, right? And in the other apartment, I had a neighbor. And around this time in the evening, which is about like 6, I was trading New York session, and then literally my whole apartment would just, I don't know, like there was a fucking tremor, right? Like everything was moving and a loud banging sound about like once every 2 minutes. So me angry, I knock on the guy's door next door. And apparently it was a Russian guy. He was live streaming on YouTube. And if someone would donate something to him, he would do a backflip in his room. But apparently he would land on his heels or something, because you heard like poof, like through the whole apartment.
We should really add that to this stream.
Well, I don't know if you can do a backflip, but
if someone sends a super sub, I think that's what it's called.
Super sub? Yeah, that could be fire.
then you can do a backflip. If you want to see Finn do a backflip, then
You want to see me break my neck? Yeah, I think he must be a fan of iShow Speed. Yeah.
dude, Speed. I think Speed was. He met up with some guy who was a trader. Actually, Speed was asking. Oh, he met up with Einstein from Wall Street.
Ah, yeah. True.
Yeah, that's it.
True.
Do you know why my data's delayed on gold?
Why?
I don't know. I'm asking. Do you know why? I don't know. I think like ever since I logged into a different TraderVate account, it's all been. I only have YM that's delayed and NQ.
Yeah,
Gold.
I bought the data now, so now I don't have that issue, but I used to have that before as well. Yeah.
It's so annoying.
I
But
don't
then I'm
know-
paying
I
the
don't know where
data
that comes from
twice.
either. Because even with I stopped trading on NinjaTrader because even that data is delayed for some reason, and I cannot fix it.
Yeah, you can't. It's actually quite annoying. Do. All right, see if we can get 25,742. Don't want to buy this market. It feels too high up.
Well,
Maybe if we run high. We have this high
Yeah.
left as well.
but we did inverse the whole 1 hour for value gap, so would only logic is to go up. Plus, if you go to the 30-minute, you see that you came from the 30-minute for value gap, those two, and after that you made the inverse, so you most likely go to the high.
I hope we don't. I hope we don't just run to the upside.
I don't hope it either, but I think we will.
Then I'm gonna have to sit through a really boring morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you guys trade my London range Mondays, as we always go over, usually very good. Today we ran the high, traded below this gap. First initial short. I got a late entry though. It's just here. Stop above the gap and just got out below the lows. But at first I wasn't really watching this. I was watching it here and I didn't like it until we made this push higher, ran the highs, and then finally started to drop off. I was like, okay, these failure swings should go. But a very easy draw into the open. I think we take out the high. ES is already taken it.
You want to know something? I genuinely think if you trade time-based range and you would only trade on Mondays, only, you look for one setup. Usually the Mondays are like higher RR for what I've seen.
Yeah.
I think you can literally make like $500,000 with only trading on Mondays.
I think so too. Like if you literally just trade my range, you can do pretty well. Not even that, like if you go through the statistics, the ranges are always going to give you like on the low end, like 3 trades out of the week. But if you only wanted to focus on one day and like take one trade, be done for the week, it'll have to be like a Monday. And then you can do whatever you want for Monday London session, I would say.
Yeah.
So obviously you're going to get days where it just goes in one direction, like Thursday, Friday. But
That's
the days
fine.
that it does run, you got a very nice trade. Mondays are always the best, I have found. What are you chewing? I don't know what are you chewing, bro? Let them know.
Eating lasagna.
Oh,
Well,
nothing. Was it? Oh,
before I was always like, wait, I'm gonna wait to eat for after stream. But then I saw that Matt is just eating on stream, just like
bro,
like into the camera as well. So now I might as well just eat.
bro. Matt streams. He's like always shirtless, ranting about trading psychology and just eating food, bro. That's like every stream he has.
Yeah,
Like he never has a top on. Every single stream.
I know.
But that's good. You guys get to see the real him. And talking about the gym, yeah. I actually worked out with him once. Like his workouts are just insane. He just does too much volume. Like there's no need for that much volume.
Do you wanna know my routine? I literally do like 8 reps and then 2 sets, but mega heavy. And then
Right, I do 2 sets of failure, to be honest. So like pretty much what you did, heavy.
yeah, so I just do as heavy as I can, and then if I can do it 8 times, then good.
Yeah. Yo, Finn, random question. What motivated you to start trading?
Wow. To be fair, I've done e-commerce before, and in e-commerce, for me, there was more like a limit to what I could earn at that point, and I was always interested in trading, but trading is this one thing that if you do not increase the volume but decrease it, you actually earn more money.
Yeah.
With e-commerce though, you'd be money while you sleep. With trading, for me, that's not like that because I scalp, obviously. But what motivated me, I just didn't want to be stuck. It's just for, yeah, freedom, I would guess. Just the standard answer.
Yeah. That's pretty much everyone. Everyone gets into trading for money. Like no one really gets into trading to like learn the process. You basically just build the habit of wanting to learn the process as you start trading, you know. Everyone just sees the money first, which is normal. And then usually you just go through the process of either this doesn't work, it's a scam, and I go back to doing whatever I did before, or you just continue failing until something clicks and it works.
I believe if you get into trading and you're not interested in money, and you say that you're not interested in money, I don't believe that. Because literally when you get into a trade, you see a dollar amount going up and down.
Bro, everything anyone does in life is for money pretty much.
Yeah, well, you know, like
anything.
if you got, for example, a e-commerce store, right? And you're selling products that are helpful for people, you can still, like, technically you can say that you offer these products on the internet because you're solving a problem. Trading is a zero-sum game. You're not solving any problem. It's like literally when you hit your TP, someone else be losing some money.
Yeah, that's very true.
So you ain't solving any problem out here.
Can one start making money without having some knowledge? Yeah, probably. You could probably get lucky. Like someone definitely got lucky in this silver bull run. Like you can definitely make money and get lucky. How old am I? I'm 23. That's crazy to think about or say. Because it feels like I was only 18 like yesterday trading.
Even for me, but I'm not 23, so
Yeah, Finn's 40.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
This song is
Married,
very,
kids, you know, so
yeah, dude's got a lot.
how long have you been trading, both of you?
6 years.
I think I'm close to 6 years. So I think like 5.5 now. 5.5 years. Obviously, in the beginning, I wasn't that serious. But well,
Bro, my end goal, my 10-year plan, I'll just tell you guys. I want to own a firm. Like I want to have not a prop firm, but a firm where I have traders like trading a style where we can manage money from. Not like a hedge
Yeah.
fund kind of firm, but like a trading firm. That's kind of my goal. To have like a group of people, like 10 or whatever, how many? 10 to 5 or 5 to 10 of people just managing money from people, clients, and like being able to do it at like a big level, you know.
I cannot
I
talk
also
about this.
I'm an all out.
No, I cannot because I already did that.
He's under NDA.
Not on NDA, but it's just.
And how much do you make a month roughly before and after taxes? And please, can you let us know all your income streams? Just let us know, bro. How much do you make a month?
Nah. Can you just please show your bank statements as well?
Roughly, though. Just roughly. Just give us a ballpark, bro.
Okay, roughly.
Toddler here, though. Can I apply? Yeah, definitely. I mean, that's the goal. I want to have like this for social media just to see how many people trading I can impact and change. And then from that, if there's someone really good, because there are a lot of good traders that like DMing me right now, and some of these guys are doing insane numbers. Why not pull these guys from their jobs? Like they all work normal 9 to 5. Why not pull them from that? Have like my own fund, and they trade for literally what they love to do. I think that would be like a great opportunity.
You can talk to me about this after stream, because I know exactly how to start and what to do.
So there you go. See, you guys don't know what Finn knows. He knows everything. He's the plug. But yeah, that's realistically my end goal. And I don't want to trade forever as well. Like my mentorship, also the main goal was it for it, like my Discord. The people inside, they all learn about my process and my model, but they already know what to look for before I do. So they basically tell me, today we're looking for this, today we're going to do that. So I basically made mini me's to message me and be like, this is what we're going to do, that's going to happen, and blah blah blah.
So Ralph, he basically automated his strategy
with humans
without coding.
Yeah, that's right. So like any of you guys watching this stream for my mentorship, you are slowly cloned into mini versions of me.
How hilarious would that be, though?
Bro, it's actually true though. That's what I did. Like the first 2 people that ever joined, I was like, I'm going to teach you my exact approach. You just need to tell me whenever you're taking a trade. So now, like sometimes I don't even need to analyze the charts.
Finn looks like
Yo.
England cricket player.
Which one? What do you think about it? 20 or a year,
Cricket
maybe
player?
20 to 40%. I mean, like 16% is like a really good return on a year. I mean, you could just think about it on a larger account. 16% probably doesn't sound that great on a 5 to 10K account, but when you have like a large account, 16% is really good.
To be fair, all prop firm traders are messed up. I don't want to be rude, but with percentage wise, it's messed up. Because some people be doing like 40% a month. Well, that's 400% a year, but that's just not a really realistic number if you look at trading for a hedge fund, for example. These guys be pushing it until 30%. They don't do 400% a year. So be happy with like 20 to 30%. That's great. It's a great result. What do you mean I see he does everything?
Bro,
What?
that's where you need to share everything you made before and after taxes.
Well, it doesn't make much difference after tax, does it?
True.
Yeah. Quite literally.
Swing, I mean, swing trading, yeah. I think, I don't know if you guys were with me back then. You could have been. If we were streaming 3 months ago, then I was speaking about buying the GBP. I think it has to go higher. I think we get to this point. And I mentioned this gap as like a long-term buying play. I think the US dollar has like quite a bit to go lower. I think it might get to like 89. So we can revisit the stream, see what happens.
Yeah, I would want us to see to move lower before we go up, for sure. I don't want to be buying here. 50% of this whole gap, whole leg is even at 698.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Sorry.
Apple. Oh, bro, where is Apple? Yeah, I think I took Apple out here. 250s was my 300 was my target. I don't know, was it 250? I think it was 250. We bought this gap. Where's Tesla? I mean, Tesla, we were bullish to 500. I still think we should get 500 on Tesla. Honestly, I think the best market's going to be GBP this year for a return.
What do you say
whatever.
we move up from here now? Thank you. Because we're pretty high up and news is pushing it.
Yeah, we're going to push like 5 minutes. Oh, you mean like overall?
No, like, I mean now.
Oh, now, yeah, it should push. Into the open, we should take out these highs that I have. I hope it doesn't just keep pumping because I'm not buying it up here.
I'm not hoping that either.
What is my bias? Yeah, I'm always looking for a short. You can count on me looking for a short. Because I'm not buying up here. I'll let whoever wants to buy make the money here. I'll just make my money the harder way, where I have to wait for it to sell off. Yeah.
It's not even the harder way because you don't know what's going to happen with open, you know. So you might as well just push lower now.
True.
That's the whole thing.
Very true.
No open, so anything can happen.
Do you guys trade prop firms or mainly prop firms? I mean, personal funds I do like, but it depends on how I want to be. If I want to be more aggressive, then I'll definitely go with a personal fund account.
You need to be able to afford it, though.
Yeah. My sentiment is we push higher to this high, then I'll sell the house. Then I'll short it if I get the opportunity.
If you get it.
Yep. What is the best time frame to use? I like the M5. There's no like best time frame to use. There's no best like win rate strategy. There's no best anything. That whole stigma, I don't know where it came from, but there's nothing like that. Everything's going to be personalized to you.
True. Some people might not be able to execute very well on the 1 minute, but better on the 5 minute. Other people might prefer the 1 minute over the 5 minute, you know.
All right, we just got that high. So let's see what the open was. In the description, why is Finn not mentioned? Bro, Finn, why are you not mentioned in the description?
I'm glad that you mention it. I'm very happy that you're mentioning it now.
Glad he's been mentioned now, because he's going to be mentioned in the description.
Average price of an apartment in Dubai, preferably 2-bedroom. I would say, okay, so this year the rent is going up, but I would say that you can get a decent, nice apartment for, let's say, 130,000 dirhams a year. The thing that you have to take into account is the UAE works a little bit different, because probably how's renting in the UK, Ralph? Do you usually pay for like 5 months at once or 4 months at once, or do you pay per month?
Yeah, you pay per month, or you can send like a deposit in. But in Dubai, you have to send like a few. You pay up front.
So in Dubai, you get better deals if you pay for the whole year up front, and only some contractors allow you to pay per month, but most of them really don't. So you'll have to pay for like a quarter. This price is going too fast for me. I'm sorry. I'm not.
Yeah, if we get this high, close below, then we're targeting the low, this range. And then hopefully the full low down here. That's why I would be seeing. See if we close below this up close. Why not? You longed, to be honest. I can't long this market, I can only short. So if it goes higher, then it goes higher without me today. ES is pushing. Dow's pushing. So we'll have to see.
It's not something I would want to short right now.
I want to see it close below this. Or if you push higher one more time, close below a 1 up close or something.
Bet a lot of people got stuck into this 30-second inversion.
Bro, I'd never, to be honest, hardly ever even check the 1 minute. I'm always on the M5.
Most of the
Basically,
time I'm on like
tells-
M2 and M3.
Yeah.
But
I don't
basically
think I
what we
ever-
did now is we got, so look at the market now, right? So we got back into the 15-minute for value gap. We touched exactly 50%, and now we start rallying up higher. So
Yeah.
I would say for me,
Mhm.
the next target would be 25,774.
Yeah, this one right here. Well, I think ES is
Yeah.
already. ES got all those highs. One of
Yeah,
those
yes,
highs.
got all of them almost. Yeah, I got all of them actually. Yeah, that would be my
Yeah.
next target. Yeah, I mean this touch is way too pixel perfect, you know.
Gold will go. Long gold. Don't mind gold. Don't mind gold. But I'm gonna watch NQ. I'm actually thinking this week of only trading New York. I know it's a bit of a switch, but
Why?
only just looking at New York. I was thinking of only trading the PM session. Skyrocket to 5. Bro,
What are
PM's
you
been pretty
talking
good. It's been a pretty nice
What are you
session.
talking about?
Bro, it's such a clean session though sometimes.
That's true.
And then
True.
And then I don't need to wait on the open, the open being like this. Very up and down.
That is true. There's nothing much to see here. You don't want to short from here because price action is too much consolidating.
So you just gotta wait on it. $5 minute is the best to use. I mean, I used the hourly to analyze and just the M5 for execution and whatnot. Don't mind that time frame. I'm looking at 570. Yeah, nice. We got it at 574. Actually, we got that high.
Yep, we hit it.
See if ES gets it. What's the entry model? I don't really have an entry model. Well, I do, but I'm not publicly teaching any of that stuff. So entry confirmation, you can just use a up close candle that takes liquidity. So this is the up close candle that takes liquidity. So that's the first OB. To short, it has to close below one of these, preferably this one, because that's the one that takes liquidity. So for me, I couldn't care if the market pushes a higher, like 1,000 points. I can only do one thing, is short. So I just never fade my model. Either I lose or I just am wrong, but I'll never go against it. So like even from now, if this market just started to push up like 1,000,000 points, I still could enter it. I still couldn't get in with that price action.
Here's the thing: 9 minutes until the 15-minute close. 15-minute is for me a good confirmation that comes before the 1 hour. If we inverse this big 15-minute for value gap that has been rejected many times, I think we might run the high, one higher. So then we're talking about 25,846.
Yeah, I mean, if it gets up there, then I have a very boring day ahead of me, because then it just keeps on rallying without me.
Yeah.
Like I would enter a long if it was down here, then I'm logging, but my model tells me to short, so that's the pain that I have to sit through. Send me the indicator, but you have to.
So you know what sucks about this price action? Even if you would have targeted the high that just got hit, and you would have taken an inversion, which is my entry model. There's no point because you go up and down. So you'll hit the internal high and then you'll hit your break-even point. So what did you do then? You literally didn't win anything. Plus, it's a headache because now you see it run off without you. Then better just not take a trade if the price action is not what you wish to be. That's how I think about it.
Yeah. So I have to sit through the most boring like days like this where the market just rallies up like this. I will short every single rally because my model tells me to, and then I'll just get stopped or take break evens on these pullbacks. So I'd much rather just wait for it. You want to see my chair? This chair is so comfy. Like I have a footrest, right? If I'm in the zone trading, this is where I am. With this chair, my footrest, bro.
Bro, I'm getting punished for trading. You want to know what I sit on?
What?
Nah, you won't believe it, bro. This is what I sit on, bro.
No way, bro. I was gonna.
I'm sitting
That's
at the bar,
insane.
bro.
Bro, you need to get one of these chairs.
My ass cheeks are getting punished, man.
Oh, you need to get one.
Can I say that on YouTube, actually?
I don't know. You're gonna have to see after the stream.
We'll find out soon.
Yeah.
Wouldn't be the first time that I say something that's not allowed.
Then you're gonna get the whole channel banned.
Did you remember that actually happened in the beginning because we're growing too fast?
Yeah, that's true. I've never seen that before.
No, I mean it. Did I?
Can you see me now? Yeah, Joe. We can see you. I don't know why you think we can't see you.
Yeah, we're also looking for those highs.
Yeah.
25847.
But I just can't buy up here. Ralph's shorting? Not yet.
Ralph's in a short right now.
I will start shorting soon.
Once it just dies off.
Like, I'll short somewhere. I don't know where though. Maybe if ES runs the highs, then we have an SM. Oh, ES is taking the highs. Like we confirmed the SMT, we actually have a bullish gap now. So gets below the gap, we can start looking in. I guess that's the only thing I have. Or if you're feeling, yeah, or if you're feeling like taking a risk, then just buy up here.
Someone, okay, so Ralph, okay, check this out. Someone in my Discord asked me, Finn, what is the hourly indicator that Ralph is using?
This one, this is just a higher time frame candles one. Just type in higher time frame candles. You can. But I use this one because it just shows me the time below the candle.
Time below the candle?
Yeah, like this shows me the 6 a.m. candle, 7 a.m. candle, 8 and 9.
Higher time
and then these candles just show me just a bit of volume within the market. So obviously the buyers are in.
Right.
If the market starts to inverse and like we get down candles, then makes more sense for us to short.
This is not going down. I can tell you.
I know. I just have to sit through this. I mean, if you guys want to just buy and hold,
this is not going down.
If you want to just buy and hold, then you can, or just buy any pullback. I'm not gonna sit through it. Just buy whenever the market retraces. time to full port short. Hopefully, give me something, you know. All we did was pump to the upside.
How much of a delay is there between YouTube stream and what people can see?
I think like 3 seconds.
You're locked in on that chair, no slacking at all. Well, I gotta be honest, the chair that I have in the office is very comfortable.
Yeah, he has 2. He bought 2.
What?
Oh, 4 to 5 seconds. The delay.
2 what? Oh, 45 seconds.
Oh, yeah. Let's liquidate all the buyers. Bro, the buyers are killing the bears right now. I'm the only bear.
Don't die on me, Rauf. Don't die on me.
They're literally slaughtering me, bro.
Oh, why aren't you in the office? Well, I was all day. But do you know the sound like comes back from the walls, so then it gets back into the mic? It's not that great yet. How was that festival? Well, the festival was pretty great. You guys, you know Rufus, Rauf?
Yeah, I've heard of him, yeah.
So he has this song Inner Bloom, right? Which is the song, the banger, and he played that pretty much in the beginning when he went on stage. And after that, he only played songs that literally nobody knew. So I don't think that makes sense. So the rest were pretty boring, to be fair, but at least I've seen that song in real life.
Yeah, it looked like you had fun.
It was nice.
On this, I don't know. I think it's too strong right now to short. Maybe if it runs
Even
this
now,
high.
I know you never look on the 30-second, but you see an inversion on the 30-second, I bet that will not hold.
I don't even think I have the data for the 30-second. I mean, if you guys are like proper bullish, then you're just buying every single pullback. Like it comes back here, you just buy, aiming for that high.
There's not anything gonna happen before that high hits, to be fair.
So for me, I just have to wait on one of these candles showing that we want to go lower. So all we've done is just deliver one side right now. I was like, from the posted out on Outlook yesterday, and I was looking for the market to drop lower into this gap, and then straight off the open we just drop into it, which was the target I had for today. Yeah, I think we might get it later in the day, maybe like 10:30, 11. But if you're bullish, then you're just buying, right? You're just buying hold. And just buy until that high. Or where is the yes?
Yes is way higher.
Yeah,
yes is already running other highs.
This is all because Trump said the market was gonna double. Like as soon as he said that, this whole market was like, yeah, let me just run it.
Yep. That's how it went.
Oh, gold doesn't look too bad. Maybe for a run higher into these highs. But I really don't have anything in this market.
There's not anything to do in here. If you didn't get into a long already, don't go long now.
Yeah, I mean, if you're bullish, just buy every single pullback. Buy
Average
whenever the
price.
market. Yeah. Pretty boring day for me. What advice do you have for someone trade on support and resistance? I don't think Vin trades support and resistance. You don't.
I don't trade stock, support and resistance.
You don't trade
I
stocks.
mean, technically, what?
I thought you were gonna say I don't trade stocks.
I don't trade stocks. But to be honest, if you look at for value gaps, that's a little bit like support and resistance as well, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, the
'Cause
idea is like
literally,
pretty much the same.
If you have an inversion for value gap, it's basically that a resistance level changes into a support level, and a support level changes into a resistance level because you break through it. So basically the same, if you look at it.
Yep. Alright, we're like how many points away from that high? We're only 10 points away. Imagine they didn't give them the high and just started selling off.
I wouldn't even get into a sell position, to be fair.
Let's see what this does.
What do you do in the office all day? Wow.
What do you do?
I can't tell you. It's classified. No. There's a lot of things to work on. A lot of things to work on. But hey, you'll see. Once Ralph goes to Dubai, he can give you guys a little sneak peek.
Yeah, I'll trade. I'll bless the HQ by taking a trade there, by shorting the Nasdaq at new all-time highs. That's what I'll do.
Use all the capital you need. No, I'm kidding.
We'll just continue shorting until it works.
No, I'm not comfortable with this shit. I'm not. Chat gets too personal sometimes. Why? What?
Bro, because he was talking about the guy that asked you how much money you make.
Yeah, true.
I mean, last week I actually made a decent amount on my fundeds, but I was down on my evals, which was annoying.
How is that
this week? I need to get them because I didn't copy trade them. Like on my funded, I'm a lot like very strict. Like right now, if I'm shorting, it has to show me it's gonna go lower. Then I'll take it on my funded. But if it's my evals, I'll just try a few shorts until it works.
Right.
Like this first run up.
You know what the thing is? I know you don't like this stuff, but I know there's psychology to it as well.
Well, with the funded and eval.
No,
I mean, yeah,
like,
it's easier on your mind.
It's just like if you see something and you see that we might have gone short from there, but you took it on your eval, you still have this little reward for yourself that you did click buttons. So if you do it on the eval, it doesn't matter at all.
Yeah,
and
that's why
damage your fundeds either, you know?
Yeah, like right now, if I had like my like sometimes I would just be on micros and like one micro, if I'm bearish, I'd just short like one micro is just something because it's basically trading on paper, right?
Yeah.
You're basically trading on paper at that point. And I'd rather do that than just trade my fundeds on a like on stupid trades.
Yeah.
That's my whole like process on it. What the heck is going on with gold and silver? Well, I mean, if you join my Discord, my free one, like last year, I told everyone to just get in on silver. Well, I didn't tell them to buy, but I said I'm buying silver at 40. It was down here. It's because the dollar's basically losing most of its value while it's getting
So, guys,
destroyed.
here's some advice. It's not silver and gold going up, it's the dollar going down.
Yeah, dollar basically dollar loses value. Most investors are looking to put money into gold and silver. Safest assets for them. But the dollar is always going to be viewed as a safe haven. Gold's just saving it. The moment,
Gold
the
is
mental
back
game.
up.
Yeah. The mental game, I like that. I mean, that's really how I deal with the mental game. Even if my model says I won't go against my model, but I will just take some other trades on accounts that are probably a paper or just evals. Why not?
True.
Would that not affect your overall? No, I mean I don't place minis. I place one micro. It's like $3 if I lose. The minis, you would definitely burn your account if you're just going one mini every single high that gets ran.
Oh,
Oh yeah, no, nothing. I've never had any issues with it. But it's not like I just sit here placing one micros. I might just try one micro twice. If it's wrong, then I just don't trade. Like right now, all we've done is just pumped higher. I can't do much here. Unless you just wanted to buy.
I feel like we
Buy and hold.
explained this kind of position that you're then in multiple times, where it's too high to long, and it's also too high and too much of a run up to go short all of a sudden. So you end up
Yeah.
doing nothing.
Silver gonna be a 120. I mean, and as the old saying goes, you know, like as the market's making new highs, buy.
Buy high, sell low.
Yeah, that's the best saying. Bro, what is this price action? Why have we just only pumped to one side?
No,
I'm
not
coming
only
for-
that, but now we're just not hitting the high. You know, then it's just take this high in the session and then just go down.
Yeah. When dollar goes up, GC usually, yeah, but gold's being pretty backed up with a lot of institutionals
That's
supporting the idea. Got myself a nice one. Nice. I mean, yeah, I couldn't short long this today. If we'd run the lows first, then I could definitely long this. But I have to sit through the pain of just one-sided candles.
What is the word for today? It's already almost time.
Oh, 10. Well, I'll wait until... Yeah, what do you want the word to be?
Well, today were the bulls, wouldn't it?
Yeah, we have to do the bull.
Bull. Bull is the word. Spell it
Can you
right.
analyze
please.
DXY? Yeah, I mean, I was bearish on DXY. I think it has like a lot lower to go. Maybe down to here.
Okay,
Right.
start
I
spamming bull.
I got one winner.
Bull, 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 bull.
Got Joe.
Then we got Tales of Bamuko.
Nice.
So Joe and Tales of Emuko.
Make these accounts worth it, you know. Don't just willy-nilly them.
Go on a vacation from it. Pass the account and then just withdraw all of the balance.
Yeah, pass the account and withdraw the 50k balance. But yeah, that's all we had for today. Nearly into the highs. I mean, we got a few points left. Should be able to get it. I don't have much left on
We
this.
hit it.
Did we get it? No.
Yeah.
The bulls beat me today. I couldn't do much anyway with this price action. All we did was just head to the upside. So maybe I'll check back later, see what we can do and can't with this price action. But hopefully you guys got something from the stream. Unfortunately, the bulls did win. But yeah, I think Matt's live tomorrow and we'll be back live Wednesday and Friday. So enjoy the rest of your day and be safe.